lives dash New York at in on or. She lives dash New York at in on or. At ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ at is question. Ate, hate, bad, loud. Ate, hate, bad, loud. Say opposite word of love.
Love is the opposite word. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದು
Loud. Say in plural. Say in plural. You say ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ದಾಗ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Say in plural. I say in kingdom option. Kingdoms. Kingdom is kings. Anyone. Say the plural word of kingdom. Kingdoms. Kingdom is kings. No one. Kingdoms. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಇವರಿಗೆ